Hi, I'm Tanish and today I'm going to talk to you about the DJI Osmo Action 3 Optical Zoom 4X Adventure Combo. This top-tier 4K action camera is perfect for capturing all your wildest adventures. With a super wide 155-degree FOV and horizon steady technology, you can get smooth footage no matter where you go. And you don't have to worry about the elements either. This camera is built to last in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Mounting your Action 3 is also easy with a quick release design that lets you securely attach it to all of your favorite gear, even vertically. And when underwater, this camera can dive down to 16 meters without needing any additional accessories. So if you're looking for an action camera that's rugged and reliable, then the DJI Osmo Action 3 is perfect for you. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start capturing some incredible footage with the DJI Osmo Action 3 Optical Zoom 4X Adventure Combo.
Guys, if you're in the market for a new camera, there are several things to consider before making the purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right kind of camera for your needs. Here are some of the most common types of cameras. Instant cameras, ideal for capturing instant memories and producing physical prints. Action cameras, best for outdoor enthusiasts and extreme sports, capturing hands-free footage. Point and shoot digital cameras, easy to use and portable, perfect for everyday photography. DSLR cameras, best for professional photographers, providing advanced manual controls and interchangeable lenses. Mirrorless cameras, a newer type of camera that provides the quality of DSLRs in a smaller and lighter body. Bullet cameras, best for outdoor surveillance, providing high-quality video and images with wide-angle lenses and night vision. In addition to the camera, there are several types of lenses available as well, each with its own specific use and benefits. Here are some of the most common types of camera lenses. Standard lenses, also known as normal lenses, these lenses have a focal length of around 50 mm and are suitable for everyday photography. They offer a natural perspective that is similar to what the human eye sees. Wide-angle lens. These lenses have a shorter focal length, typically between 10 to 35 mm, and are ideal for capturing wide landscapes or fitting more into a frame. Telephoto lenses. These lenses have a longer focal length, typically between 70 to 300 mm, and are great for capturing subjects from a distance, such as wildlife or sports photography. Macro lenses. These lenses are designed for close-up photography and allow you to capture small subjects with great detail. They typically have a magnification ratio of 1:1 or greater. Zoom lenses. Zoom lenses have a variable focal length, allowing you to zoom in and out without having to switch lenses. They are versatile and can be used for a wide range of photography styles. When choosing a camera lens, it is important to consider the focal length, aperture, and image stabilization. Additionally, you should think about the specific type of photography that you want to pursue and choose a lens that is suitable for your needs. Guys, I sure hope you found this guide helpful. Happy photography!
Presenting DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard Combo Outdoor Action Camera. The available styles are Action 3 Standard Combo and Action 3 Adventure Combo. This is a tough, versatile, and ultra-reliable 4K action camera that was built to go along on any adventure. It features 4K, 120 frames per second, and a 155-degree field of view to capture dynamic mounting, and a quick release vertical mount design for cold resistance. It comes with 160 minutes maximum battery life. It allows 150 minutes of continuous recording in low temperatures. This is a waterproof down to 16 meters, without requiring any additional accessories. The box includes Osmo Action 3, Osmo Action 3 Extreme Battery, Osmo Action 3 Horizontal Vertical Protective Frame, Osmo Action 3 Rubber Lens Protectant, and Osmo Action 3 comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.